Like that.
All right, guys, it's been a long time since we talked to you last, but today we're out here with Caden and Jackson. Jackson just caught him a nice catfish there off his new rods, using some chicken liver. I was gonna take me a little nice cruise on the boat and fish the banks, but Jackson got him a catfish here. We'll talk to you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, we're thinking about doing a catch and cook. I'll show you guys how to skin a cat, you know. Get him all cooked up, decent size, you know. Jackson's breaking out the new stringer out here today.
Let her run. Oh crap, that's what I'm thinking of. Oh, we have drawn quite a bit of blood here.
That'll be alright. It'll buff, you know.
Buff.
Comment in the comments of if you guys want us to start making videos again.
Quit clamping down on it, you little.
Alrighty. We'll get you.
What?
Alright, guys, we're out here cutting the catfish up that we caught. We're gonna flay him up, do a little catch and cook for you guys. You wanna make like a slit down at the side here.
At Master USA Ballistic Knives, go buy one on eBay.
Cut down their back. This is how to skin it.
Better if you have a fillet
Yeah,
knife.
I suggest having a fillet knife.
When you're supposed to do it, try to do it in the middle, but Drew's going to the left side for some reason. Not sure why, but
It's kind of hard.
and just try to cut the skin instead of shanking it down to the meat.
It's a first for all of us here, guys. Bring it forward some.
Right here.
You want to hack at or something, Jackson? No, don't do that.
I'm just making a nice line to show you where to go.
Okay.
I was a little off. I'll hold its head. This is going to take forever. Hey, there we go, there we go. See, my line did work.
Yeah, no, I started following it.
That mean little. How is this thing still alive? No kidding, this thing's still alive, dude. This is
The trooper. Your mom walked out the deck.
she's like, what the world? She was like, where did you get a freaking catfish? She was like, where'd you get that from?
I don't want to make a
How's this thing still
slit on that
alive?
side. Catfish are tanks, dude. Watch out.
I was making a line for you. My knife's dull. Jesus, dude. Just gonna cut my hand off. I mean, little freckled face kid. You guys, I'm just gonna say, we're gonna frickin'
That down to its belly.
what's that? Oh, Frank's. Is it called Frank's, that stuff we got?
No, it's
The hot stuff?
It's not hot.
Yeah, it is.
It's just red pepper.
Red pepper. Just red pepper. If it's a pepper, it's hot.
Nuh-uh.
Any peppers are hot.
Banana peppers aren't.
Okay, banana peppers are good.
Sweet peppers aren't.
They got a little kick to them, though.
No, they don't.
Okay, but red peppers are pretty hot, I think. Dude, that's like its bone. It won't...
Oh yeah, it's his head.
Watch out.
What are you trying to do? I already got it cut. I got it cut already. I just didn't grab it.
I don't know how this thing's still alive.
Watch out.
There. What are you trying to do? Get under its skin?
Yeah,
My knife's better for that, dude.
I already got it.
Oh yeah, nice cut.
Nice, clean cut.
Cut. Now, you need to come down on the side of the fish.
Yeah, scoot it up a
Pull on the side so you guys can see me. Gosh, just make this
little bit. This video is gonna be bad.
Alright guys, we're almost done cutting it up. We're chunking it. Didn't really film too much of the process because it took a little bit. First time, but we got some decent meat right here. We gotta clean it, and then we gotta batter it up. And then throw it on the, what are we cooking on, Caden? The stove?
Yeah.
Throw it on the stove. Alright, we'll get back to you guys in a minute. Alright guys, we're cooking the catfish. We put some butter on it. We went and got some eggs. We chunked it up. Cooking it on whatever you call this. I don't know what you call it.
Skillet.
Is this a skillet? Alright. Cooking it on a skillet, dipped it in some eggs, threw it in some batter, shook it up.
Chef Burner over here.
Yeah,
cooking it up.
Chef Burner over here. And we'll get back to you guys when we're eating it. Okay guys, we just tried some. It's amazing. It's so stinking good. There she is. There's some right there. Jackson's cooking some more up. We ate some a little bit. But it's amazing. It's some great fish. Catfish. I highly suggest you guys go get yourself catfish and cook it up. It's so good. Caden, what are your thoughts?
Dude, it's freaking amazing. Sorry.
Jackson, what are your thoughts?
I'm a great chef, and this is beautifully good.
It's so good, guys. All right. Well, there's the video for today, guys. Cooking some catfish. I hope you guys learned from that and like know how to kind of cut up catfish. We didn't really show it, but it's okay. Way to go, Jackson. Jackson just. All right, guys. We'll see you guys later on our next video. Don't know when it's gonna be, but please like and subscribe and share, and we'll see you next time on Burner Outdoors.